Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about this, which is the BetaFPV Whoop Racing Starter Kit 2. Okay, this kit comes with a nice box. Comes with a nice carrying case. Some instructions. The goggles. The drone. Controller with 4 switches. A micro USB to charge your controller. Antennas for your goggles. 2 300 mAh battery, 1S battery charger. Extra props. A tool to switch out the props, I guess. Oh, and I also went ahead and bought the 8-piece battery pack because I intend to practice a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna set this thing up. First, you're gonna charge your batteries. Just plug them in and plug it into your computer. Connect the antenna to your goggles. Beautiful. Okay, let's power up the goggles. Okay, the goggle comes with this fabric mesh material. Cushion is not bad. And this is the screen. Next, I'll show you how to install the battery for the controller. It comes with this battery that is supports USB charging. So you locate this pin over here. Make sure it's aligned properly. Just plug it in and then switch the battery around. Make sure it fits. Done. Power up the controller. Okay, now for the drone. Take one of the battery. Plug it in. And it should start lighting up. Next, you take the goggles and you press this search button. Yeah! And as you can see, we already found a channel. Okay, I'm quite new to this, so I don't know what is the best option. So let's just go with this. Okay, and now all you have to do is turn the controller around and hit that bind button. And you will see there's a flashing lights on. Okay, let me show you again. Hit the bind button. Yeah, you can see there's a flashing lights coming out from the drone. And we're done. So now you just have to hit this disarm switch. Yeah. And we are ready to go. Alright, now we have finished setting up the BetaFPV Whoop Racing Starter Kit 2. We can now go out and give it a try. It's pretty much ready to fly straight out of the box. And honestly, this is my first FPV drone, and I've only really flown it indoors once and it didn't really go well. So luckily, the controller that comes with this starter kit too, which is the Light Radio 2, actually can be paired up straight to the computer using the micro USB cable that they provided, and it can be used as a controller for your FPV stimulator games. So I went on to Steam, downloaded Liftoff and practiced from there, and I had around 6 hours in. I learned how to do some basic maneuvers and complete my first lap of a race. Alright, so now let's head outside and see what this little thing can do.
You want to see how the drone is flying? You want to experience, but you cannot fly it, but you can see how is it flying.
Okay.
You want to see it?
Yes, I want to see.
Okay.
My name is Hanu.
Anu, where you live?
All nearby.
Okay. You wait a moment. We are up again. Yeah. Are you excited? What is your name again?
Hanu.
Anu. So do you have fun watching
Yes.
the
Yeah.
drone?
Yes, I was so excited.
What makes you so interested about this?
Like seeing from the camera and all like aeroplanes. Like so many days after I'm seeing like that, I feel like real life.
You feel like you can, you
Yeah.
are the bird flying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Bye
Bye.
friends. Bye.
So is the starter kit 2 worth it? In my opinion, yes. Because as a beginner myself, who have totally no clue what I'm doing, and I don't want to have to spend too much money getting into a hobby that I might not like in the future, so $129 US pretty much reasonable for this starter kit that comes ready to fly pretty much straight out of the box. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.